Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about what happiness really means. Many people think happiness is all about having lots of money or things, but sometimes happiness comes from the simple moments in life, like spending time with friends or enjoying a nice day. In this video, we'll look at different ideas about what happiness is and how we can feel happy every day. Happiness is something that many people want, but it can be hard to explain exactly what it is. For some, happiness might mean being rich, famous, or having everything they want. But for others, happiness isn't about money or fame. It's about feeling good inside and enjoying life. I believe that true happiness doesn't come from outside things, but from within us. And it's something we create through our choices, actions, and attitudes. When I think of happiness, I think of living a life that feels real and meaningful. It's about being true to myself and doing things that I care about. Happiness for me means finding peace and satisfaction in the present moment, rather than always looking for more. I believe that happiness is something we build over time through connections with others, personal growth, and a positive view on life. One way I find happiness is by enjoying simple things. Many times, it's the small things that bring the most joy. A warm cup of tea in the morning, a walk in the park, or a friendly talk. Our society often tells us that to be happy, we need to have more things, more money, more success, or more achievements. But I've noticed that when I stop wanting more and start appreciating what I already have, I feel much happier. This way of thinking helps me stay calm and reminds me that happiness doesn't need to be big or special. It can be found in the smallest moments of daily life. Another important part of happiness is personal growth. This means setting goals for myself and working towards them. Even if the goal is small, reaching it makes me feel proud and pleased. For example, when I learn a new skill, or even when I get better at something I enjoy, I feel a sense of achievement. It's not just the end result that makes me happy, but also the journey, the process of learning, trying, and improving. I believe that happiness is about not just where we end up, but how we get there, and how we become better along the way. For me, happiness is also strongly connected to relationships. Spending quality time with family and friends, sharing laughs, and being there for each other brings a warmth that money cannot buy. In difficult times, it is the love, encouragement, and support from loved ones that help me get through and remind me of what truly matters. These connections add meaning to life and create happiness that goes deeper than any material thing or achievement could. Being with people we care about and who care about us gives us a sense of being connected and makes life feel richer. In my view, happiness is a journey, and it can change over time. It's important to think about what really matters to us and to live in a way that matches our values and beliefs. By focusing on inner peace, personal growth, and building strong relationships, I believe we can all find a happiness that lasts and is true to who we are. Happiness is not a final goal. It is a way of living that we can choose every single day by appreciating the present moment and making meaningful choices. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's article. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. What are some simple things that can make people feel happy? 2. Why are meaningful relationships important for happiness? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time.